Sai Ram to all of you. We will start our class with Omkara.
Saira,
Oh,
Saira ma'am.
Sai Ram,
Sairam ma'am. Sairam ma'am.
Sai Ram. Okay. So today we will see one video first, then I will take the test, right? Those are left, get ready for that. First, we will see the video. Yes, Mansi?
Yes ma'am. Sairam ma'am.
Sairam, is it visible, beta?
Yes ma'am, visible.
Okay.
Children, in this video, we will learn Children, in this video, we will learn about what is a meter and why do we use a meter. Curtains are going to be hung at various places at the fair in Champapur. Chanda has got the task of making those curtains. Chanda thought that she would buy material from uncle's shop and make the curtains. Chanda had learnt from Appu about the use of centimeters and rulers. So she is confident that she will easily be able to give the correct measurements for the curtains to uncle. She immediately reached the fair taking her 15-centimeter ruler. Poles were erected at the places where curtains were to be hung. Chanda thought that if she measures the distance between the poles, then she will get the size of the curtain. Chanda began to measure the distance between the poles with her ruler. But Chanda's ruler is very small. She is unable to measure the distance between the poles with her ruler. Just then, Appu was passing by. Seeing Chanda upset, he asked her what she is measuring using that small ruler. Chanda tells him that she is trying to measure the distance between the poles. Appu heard this and started laughing loudly. When Chanda asks him why he is laughing, Appu told her that she could only measure the length of small objects like pen, notebook, etc. in centimeters with the help of ruler. But to measure the length of large objects, she has to use a meter. Chanda immediately asked Appu, "What is this meter?" Appu then explained to her that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Chanda was shocked. She asked Appu, "Is it possible to make such a long ruler?" "Yes, there is a long ruler to measure in meters. But if we have to measure the length of any object in meters, we can do this more easily by using a measuring tape. Chanda told him, I have never seen a measuring tape. Can you show me? Appu then told her that he doesn't have it at that moment. But if she met him at uncle's shop the next day, then he would borrow the measuring tape from uncle and show it to her. Chanda agreed. The two decided to meet at uncle's shop the next day and went to their respective homes. Children, in this video, we learnt about what is a meter. Why do we use a meter? In the next video, we will learn about how we can use the meter with some interesting examples.
Yes, children, already we have discussed about the meter in previous video. It is just for revision. So why do we use meter? Who will give the answer? Why do we use meter?
मैम कोई जब ज्यादा बड़ी होती है चीज उसमें मीटर यूज करते
Yes.
हैं.
लॉन्ग आइटम्स को मेजर करने के लिए हमको मीटर स्केल की जरूरत पड़ती है, क्योंकि सेंटीमीटर तो स्केल तो बहुत छोटी होती है, उससे हम लॉन्ग आइटम्स को मेजर नहीं कर सकते हैं. सो वी विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.
Children, in the previous video, we learned about what is a meter and why do we use a meter. In this video, we will learn how we can use the meter with some interesting examples. Chanda and Appu have come to see the measuring tape at uncle's shop. Appu asked uncle for his measuring tape. Appu showed the measuring tape to Chanda. Chanda got very excited after seeing it. She asked Appu how she must use it. Appu told Chanda, look at these measuring lines. These small vertical lines show the measurement of centimeters, and the long vertical lines show us the measurement in meters. Appu took a material from uncle and measured it in such a way using the measure tape. Children, can you tell how long this material is?
Yes, can anybody tell me what is the length of?
Ma'am 104. Ma'am 1 meter
मैम
4 centimeter.
Very good.
Ma'am
Very good. Right answer.
104.
104 वॉट. सेंटीमीटर, मीटर, यूनिट लगाना कंपलसरी है.
Meter 104 meter.
रॉन्ग. 104. अभी हमने ये देखा, यहाँ पे लुक एट केयरफुली, ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक 2 नंबर्स के बीच में 1 सेंटीमीटर आ रहा है हमारा. तो 1 मीटर में कितने सेंटीमीटर है? 100 सेंटीमीटर. तो यहाँ तक तो हमारा 1 मीटर हुआ ना, ये रेड लाइन जो आपको दिख रही है, यहाँ तक हमारा 1 मीटर हुआ. तो 1 मीटर के बाद ये हमारा 104 पर आ रहा है. तो 1 2 3 4 क्या हुआ? ये सेंटीमीटर हुआ. So you can say 1 meter 4 centimeter, or you can say 104 centimeter, right?
C. The length of the material is more than the length of 1 meter. But how many centimeters is one small line? 1 centimeter. This way, the length of this material is 1 meter and 4 centimeter. Chamba was shocked. She asked Appu, "Is this possible? Can the length of objects be measured using both meters and centimeters?" Appu laughed and said, "Yes, it is absolutely possible." Chanda then told him that she did not have such a measuring tape. So how can she measure the length of objects in meters? Appu returned uncle's measuring tape and went with Chanda to buy a measuring tape from the shop nearby. From there, both of them bought measuring tape for themselves. Chanda was very happy to get her measuring tape. Now Chanda asked Appu, "I don't understand. Which objects will be measured in meters and which objects will be measured in centimeters?" Children, here are few objects. Can you tell the length of which of these items will be measured in centimeters and length of which of these items will be measured in meters? Well,
Yes, who will give the answer?
well done, children. You have answered correctly.
Yes, small objects like sharpener, pencil, footwear, mobile. These are the small items, so we can measure in centimeter. But TV screen is bigger than mobile screen, so we can use meter scale. Or this cloth material is also bigger, so we will use measuring tape.
We can measure the length of these items in meters and can measure the length of these items in centimeters. Appu explained this to Chanda using these items. Chanda became very happy knowing that now she will be able to easily measure the curtains to be used in the fair. She thanked Appu and happily returned to her house with her measuring tape. Children, in this video, with some interesting examples, we learned how to use meter. In the next video, we will look at some of the misconceptions related to this.
क्लियर इतना अंडरस्टैंड हुआ सभी को?
Children, in the last video, with some interesting examples, we learned how to use meter and why we use it. In this video, we will look at some of the misconceptions related to this. Chanda measured the size of the curtains with her measuring tape. When Chanda reached Badbole uncle's shop to get her curtains stitched, Golu was also there buying material for his shirt from uncle. Chanda saw that Golu asked uncle for a 1 meter long material and uncle cut the material as long as his arm length. Chanda was surprised. Chanda had got her measuring tape along. As soon as uncle cut Golu's material, she took that material from Golu and immediately measured it with her measuring tape. Children, is the material that was cut using uncle's arm length 1 meter long? No. Uncle gave 1 arm long material which is 1 meter and 5 centimeter long. Chanda explained to Chacha and Golu that the length of 1 arm varies for everyone. So they cannot use it to measure 1 meter.
Can we use this type of measurement?
Ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. Why, beta?
मैम क्योंकि उनके हाथ अलग अलग है,
Yes.
अलग अलग
उनके हाथ अलग अलग है।
Size
हाँ,
vary
उनके हाथ
person to
अलग अलग।
person. किसी कोई छोटा बच्चा है तो उसका ये आर्म्स छोटे होंगे, कोई बड़ा है तो उसके बड़े, और किसी के हाइट बहुत ज्यादा जो लंबे होते हैं उनके और लंबे होते हैं. सो it varies from person to person, so we cannot use these way to measure the things.
For example, the length of her 1 arm is not equal to the length of uncle's 1 arm. And the length of uncle's 1 arm is not the same as 1 meter. She told uncle that he should measure the material using his measuring tape. Both Golu and uncle understood this. Chanda gave uncle the measurement of her curtains and returned to her home. After returning home, Chanda measured her pencil with a ruler in such a way and found that the pencil is 10 centimeter in length. Then she measured the length of her roof with her measuring tape and found that the roof was 10 meters long. Chanda started thinking that the length of both her roof and pencil is 10 and 10. So are they both of the same length?
What do you think? Length of roof and length of pencil, both are 10. So is it?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the difference?
मैम पेंसिल 1 सेंटीमीटर की है और रूफ 10 मीटर का है.
1 or 10?
10 मीटर का रूफ.
Okay, and what about the length of pencil?
मैम 10 सेंटीमीटर.
Yes, pencil's length is 10 centimeter and roof 10 meter. Both are different. 1 मीटर में कितने सेंटीमीटर होते हैं? 100, राइट? तो दोनों इक्वल नहीं हो सकती. ये सेंटीमीटर छोटा होता है, मीटर बड़ा होता है.
Do you think, children? Is Chanda's thinking correct? No. Chanda's pencil is 10 centimeter in length, while her roof is 10 meters in length.
That's why it is very necessary to write the unit. Meters and centimeters, kilometers, these are the units. तो जब आप मैम आपको बोलती है कि पूरा बताना है, मीन्स आपको यूनिट भी साथ में बोलना है. अगर आपने 10 बोल दिया, then your answer will be wrong. 10 what? Then you have to tell 10 meters or you have to write 10 meters. 10 centimeter. तब तुम्हारा आपका आंसर कंप्लीट होगा.
And children, you know how many centimeters is equal to 1 meter? Exactly. 100 centimeters. And the length of roof is 10 meters. So the length of the roof is 10 meters and the length of the pencil is 10 centimeters, which means the roof is bigger than the pencil. Chanda understood this also and she went to bring her curtains from uncle's shop. Children, in this video, we learned what is a meter and how is a meter used and about the misconceptions related to it.
That much part is clear. That much part is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
वीडियो देख के ज्यादा अच्छे से समझ में आया ना हमको. Previously also we have seen some video and we have discussed. Again we have do the revision जिससे हमारा मीटर सेंटीमीटर का सारा कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो जाए. Which is the smallest unit, meter, centimeter or millimeter?
मैम मिलीमीटर.
Millimeter. Very good.
मिलीमीटर. मैम मिलीमीटर.
Good.
Millimeter.
1 सेंटीमीटर में कितने मिलीमीटर होते हैं? स्नेहल. स्नेहल.
यस मैम.
1 सेंटीमीटर में कितने मिलीमीटर होते हैं?
1 सेंटीमीटर में मैम 100 सेंटीमीटर.
बेटा
Ma'am, 10.
1 सेंटीमीटर में 100 सेंटीमीटर होते हैं.
Ma'am, 10.
मैम 10.
10 मिलीमीटर होते हैं.
मैम 10.
में
मैम 10.
स्टडी नहीं हो रही है स्नेहल आपकी बिल्कुल घर पे. डेली हम वीडियो देख रहे हैं फॉर रिवीजन and even though you are not giving the right answer, it means you are not watching carefully. Kavish, sit properly. Kavish, sit properly. Dance नहीं करना है अभी हमको. And where is your uniform? You have to be in uniform.
मैम आज पापा भाग गए तो पापा ने अचानक से कहा क्लास चल दो.
Okay. और 1 मीटर में कितने सेंटीमीटर होते हैं कौन बताएगा? गर्भित. 1 मीटर में कितने सेंटीमीटर होते हैं गर्भित?
मैम 100 सेंटीमीटर. मैम 100 सेंटीमीटर.
100 सेंटीमीटर. राइट. तो ये चीजें हमने लिखी हैं बेटा नोटबुक में, तो हमको रिवीजन करना है, अदरवाइज वी विल फॉरगॉट.
यस मैम.
If we will not do the revision, we will forget all these things. फिर हमारा नेक्स्ट चैप्टर स्टार्ट होगा तो फिर कैसे काम चलेगा बेटा? Okay, so now we will do some questions. For that, I am showing my screen. So get ready with notebook and pencil. Yes, all are ready with pencil and notebook? Yes, I'm showing some slides. You have to write down in your notebook. Mansi, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am, visible.
Okay, so write the chapter's name, chapter 4, long and short. What you will write? Chapter 4, long and short. First question, name 4 non-standard unit to measure length. Do it fast. Name any 4 non-standard unit to measure length. Answer is in red color. Foot, finger, hand span and stick. Completed? Mansi completed?
No, ma'am.
Okay, do it fast. Name 4 non-standard unit to measure length. Foot, finger, hand span and stick. Second question is, name 2 instruments that you have seen to measure length. Ruler and measuring tape. Second question is, name 2 instruments that you have seen to measure length.
Done.
Ruler and measuring tape. These are the standard unit of. All have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Done.
Yes, Pihu. Completed or not?
मैम थोड़ा सा बचा है.
Okay, do it fast.
मैम थोड़ा नीचे कर देना.
Is it okay?
मैम नीचे.
I'm done. Ma'am, done.
Good. Now we are coming to the question number 3. In a tailor shop, the tailor uses dash to take a measurement. Just now we have seen in the video, right? जब हम टेलर शॉप पे जाते हैं तो हमारा मेजरमेंट किस चीज से लेता है टेलर अंकल?
मैम मेजरमेंट टैप.
Yes. Right now we have seen in the video. So what we will write in the filling the blank?
Measuring tape.
Yes.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am,
Good.
done.
Very good.
Ma'am, done.
Good. Divyansh completed?
Complete. Completed.
Now we are moving to the next question. Question number 4. A stick is a dash unit to measure any object. Which is the correct word to fill this gap? A stick is a dash unit to measure any object. क्या आएगा जल्दी से आंसर बताओ. Is it standard unit or non-standard unit? Mansi, is it standard unit or non-standard unit? Stick.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, standard unit.
Stick is standard unit बेटा.
ma'am, non.
Ma'am, non standard.
Ma'am, non. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
non.
non
Standard.
Yes. It is a non-standard unit of measurement. Just now we have seen all these questions and answers in video. So it is just for revision. Now question number 5. A ruler means scale, and inch tape, जो हम टेलर अंकल के पास जाते हैं उससे मेजरमेंट लेते हैं, आर डैश मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट. Standard or non-standard? What is the correct answer? Athar Verma. Athar Verma, are you there?
standard.
Yes. Ayushi, what is the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
These are standard unit or non-standard unit?
Ma'am, standard.
Standard.
Yes. Ruler and inch tape are the standard unit of measurement. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. They were the
Good. Now, now get ready for the oral test. Those were left yesterday.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Good. So,
Ma'am,
while oral test, we have to follow
done.
some rules. जिसका नाम आएगा वही अनम्यूट करेगा. Others will not disturb in between. Clear? Yes, Arpit Shivare.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, बेटा. टेबल सुनाना है ना, कल भी आपने नहीं सुनाया था 7 का.
कल मेरा नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम था.
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. आज तो नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना बेटा.
नो मैम.
चलो, मैं आपको पिन कर रही हूँ तो सिर्फ स्क्रीन पे सब लोगों को आप ही दिखाई देंगे.
मैम कौन सा टेबल सुनाना है?
7 का सुनाना है बेटा हमको.
7 and the 7.
Yes.
7 and the 7. 7 to the 14. 7 3 the 21. 7 4 the 28. 7 5 the 35. 7 6 the 42. 7 7 the 59. 7 8 the 56. 7 9 the 63. 7 10 the 70.
Good, very good. Yes, Disha Prajapati. Disha. Okay, Garvit, now you ready?
Ma'am.
Yes, start.
7 1 the 7. 7 2 the 40. 7 3 the 21. 7 4 the 28. 7 4 the 31. 7 6 the 42. 7 7 the 49. 7 8 the 56. 7 9 the 63. 7 10 the 72.
Good, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Kavish, now it's your turn.
7 1 the 7. 7 2 the 14. 7 3 the 21. 7 5 the 35. 7 4 the 42. 7 7 the 40. 7 8 the 50. 8
याद नहीं है ढंग से. कविश, एक वीक हो गया टाइम दिए हुए. Still you are not prepared. Madhav Sharma. Mansi. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it's your turn.
7 1 the 7. 7 2 the 40. 7 3 the 21. 7 4 the 28. 7 5 the 35. 7 6 the 42. 7 7 the 49. 7 8 the 56. 7 9 the 63. 7 10 the 70.
Good, very good. Payal is present or not? बस मीटिंग ज्वाइन कर दी है और लेफ्ट हो जाती है. पीहू, now it's your turn.
Yes, ma'am. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 40. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 six are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. 7 tens are 70.
Very good. Yes, Sanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70.
good, very good. Samrat Jain.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Now it's your turn. वीडियो
Yes,
ऑन
ma'am.
करो बेटा. पहले वीडियो ऑन करो. Yes. Now you can start.
Yes, ma'am. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Shailendra.
7 1 is 11, 7 2 are 14, 7 3 are 21, 7 4 are 28, 7 5 are 35, 7 6 are 42, 7 7 are 49, 7 8 are 56, 7 9 are 63, 7 10 are 70.
Good. Shivam Roy.
Madam, ma'am, Abel, not out. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 threes, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70. Okay, ma'am. Nadi.
Good. Shivanya.
Yes, ma'am. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 are 40, 7 3 are 28, 7 4 are, 7 3 are 21, 7 4 are 28, 7 5 are 35, 7 6 are 42, 7 7 are 49, 7 8 are 56, 7 9 are 63, 7 10 are 70.
Good. Very good. Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am. 7 on the 7, 7 to the 40, 7 to the 21, 7 4 the 28, 7 5 the 35, 7 6 the 42, 7 7 the 49, 7 8 the 56, 7 9 the 63, 7 10 the 70.
Very good. Well done. Yes, Nehal.
7 1 is 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70.
Good. Yuvraj. Yes, Anuruddha.
7 6 या 42, 7 7 या 49, 7 8 या 56, 7 9 या 63, 7 10 या 70.
Very good. Well done.
मैं डिलीट कर दूं? नहीं अभी क्यों?
Okay, so we will conclude our class with Shanti Path.
Good morning, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.